Hi there, it's Amy from Oelo Lighting Solutions again. And as I promised in our last video when we were talking about all the ingredients that make Oelo a premium brand, I promised we'd be coming here to this house to talk about a hybrid install, one of the other key ingredients that makes us pretty special in the market. So we're going to talk about this house. We're going to focus a little bit on this roof line up here. We'll talk all about the roof here and the channel, as well as the control box at this house. First off, Oelo is not a peel and stick brand. Oh, geez. We're not that. And in fact, I'm going to give you another little disclaimer about this system. These systems can only go for 150 feet. Most average homes are bigger than that. Meanwhile, one of Oelo's biggest jobs was 6,200 linear feet on Children's Hospital. Now back to hybrid. What's a hybrid install? Well, Webster defines hybrid as something produced by a combination of two or more distinct elements. Did you hear that? Distinct. Oelo is the only one on the market to offer you, voila, two different channel material options. You have metal and you have acrylic. This acrylic channel is going to give you a nice bump-free look if you don't want any LEDs protruding. Great for outward installs because the HOA is going to love this one. Or you have the metal channel, which is downright easy to install, comes in a variety of bends for different structures, and it's going to give you a great wall wash effect. Take both these channels and install them on your house, and you can get some pretty creative lighting effects. This house here actually has both channel installed, so we're going to take a peek up at the roof line right now. So I'm going to show you a quick glance. Let's do a little flipperoo. As you can see underneath, we have our metal channel mounted. It's going to create a nice wall wash effect. And later this evening, I'm going to come back and show you all of the great lighting effects this type of install lends itself to. And then also on the outside, you can see we have the acrylic channel. Again, it's practically invisible by day, and it's going to give you that nice traditional outward glow. Now that's not all. I'm going to take you inside this garage, and I'm going to show you Oelo's control box. Look inside that. Now that is a system. These ports here are individually addressable, meaning we can run multiple zones. Those outward lights can dance, and the downward LEDs can wall wash. The front's rocking colors while your back patio fades in warm white. The possibilities are endless. And believe it or not, all of the zones are easily controllable from the app. I'm going to show you the app here real fast. I'm going to do a quick, there you go. You see the app? See all those zones? So many options, and each zone can be controlled separately. All right, so I told you we'd be back out here at night, and here we are, and I'm going to give you all the highlights of this house. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera. All right, now take a peek at that metal channel. It is hung downward, giving us that nice wall wash effect that I talked about. It is on its own zone, and so right now we can wall wash and keep this a stationary color. We can also add some movement if we wanted. We'd make this glow from red, slowly pulsing to green, making that wall wash just a slow, subtle change. Now for the outward glow, I'll remind you that was an acrylic channel, so it was invisible by day, but by night you can notice it's very expressive. We've got this zone doing a nice little march in red, white, and green, perfect for Christmas. So, as you can see, we're not just a string of lights. We're an actual system, a hybrid system, and it's the only one on the market.